Here is a summary of Cloudflare's Q2 2025 earnings call, focusing on key financial metrics, management commentary, and outlook. Cloudflare Q2 2025 earnings call summary financial highlights. Revenue. Cloudflare reported $512.3 million in revenue for Q2 2025, representing 28% year-over-year growth. This marks an acceleration from 26.5% growth in the previous quarter. The company also crossed $2 billion in annual run rate revenue. Customer growth. The number of customers paying over $100,000 annually grew 22% year-over-year to 3,712. Revenue from these large customers increased 35% year-over-year, contributing 71% of total revenue, up from 67% in Q2 2024. Dollar-based net retention. This key metric was 114%, up 3% sequentially, and 2% year-over-year, indicating strong expansion within the existing customer base. Gross margin. Gross margin stood at 76.3%, which the company stated is in line with its long-term target range of 75% to 77%. Profitability. Cloudflare achieved an operating profit of $72.3 million, resulting in an operating margin of 14.1%. Free cash flow. The company generated $33.3 million in free cash flow during the quarter, exceeding expectations. Remaining performance obligations. RPO was $1.977 billion, up 6% sequentially and 39% year-over-year. Current RPO increased to 66% of total RPO. Management's forecasts and outlook. Q3 2025 guidance. Cloudflare expects revenue in the range of $543.5 million to $544.5 million, representing 26% to 27% year-over-year growth. Operating income is projected between $75 million to $76 million. Full year 2025 guidance. The company forecasts full year revenue between $2.113.5 billion to $2.115.5 billion, indicating 27% year-over-year growth. Full year operating income is expected to be in the range of $284 million to $286 million. Management expressed confidence in their strategy to drive re-accelerating growth, driven by continued innovation and strong unit economics. Significant risk factors and highlights. Re-accelerating growth. The company highlighted that its strategy for re-accelerating growth is working, with revenue growth accelerating. Enterprise momentum. Strong growth from large customers, particularly those spending over $1 million and $5 million annually, is a key driver. Go-to-market improvements. Significant progress in sales productivity, deal close rates, and pipeline attainment has been achieved. Product innovation. Cloudflare continues to innovate rapidly, particularly with Workers AI and its Act 4 initiatives focused on the agentic web and content creator business models. AI adoption. Companies are increasingly choosing Cloudflare to power AI workloads, including inference. Partner strategy. The partner-first sales strategy is outperforming other sales channels. Architectural advantage. The company's distributed architecture provides a cost and performance advantage, even during large DDoS attacks. Lowlights, or areas of note. Gross margin decline. Gross margin saw a sequential and year-over-year decrease, attributed partly to increased customer traffic and allocation of expenses to cost of goods sold, though it remains within the target range. Free cash flow. While exceeding expectations, free cash flow as a percentage of revenue decreased compared to the prior year's quarter. Early stages of agentic web monetization. While highly strategic, the exact monetization model for the agentic web is still evolving, with a focus on adoption currently. Most important statements from management. Matthew Prince, CEO. We had an excellent quarter. We crossed $2 billion in annual run rate revenue, achieving $512.3 million of revenue in the quarter. Our Q2 results highlight that this formula is working and mark a key inflection point for the company, with revenue growing 28% year-over-year. Cloudflare keeps innovating faster than ever, and customers are voting with their wallets. I once again feel like the company is firing on all cylinders. The momentum you see in these results demonstrates that we have the right technology, the right strategy, and importantly, the right team to accelerate Cloudflare's next phase of growth. He emphasized Cloudflare's unique position to help publishers and AI companies navigate the shift to an AI-driven web and is building Act 4 to power new business models. He also highlighted the architectural advantages that benefit all product acts, including Act 1. Regarding large deals, he noted the shift from product-led growth to a more comprehensive go-to-market strategy, including a partner-first approach, which is crucial for landing multi-million-dollar contracts. He also pointed out that 80% of major AI companies are Cloudflare customers, utilizing their security and increasingly their workers' AI for inference. Thomas Seifert, CFO. We are pleased to have delivered on that goal during the second quarter with revenue increasing 28% year-over-year. Strength in our business this quarter was driven by large $1 million and $5 million plus customers, continuing our momentum in the enterprise segment. Our dollar-based net retention rate accelerated to 114% during the quarter, up 3% sequentially and 2% year-over-year. He stated that the company is tracking well against its full-year expectations and is confident in its ability to continue executing its growth strategy. He also confirmed that pool of funds deals and variable revenue are contributing positively to their performance and dollar-based net retention. Regarding gross margin, he reiterated that despite customer traffic increases, it is expected to remain comfortably within the 75% to 77% long-term target range. In summary, Cloudflare delivered a strong Q2 2025, demonstrating re-accelerating revenue growth driven by its enterprise segment and expanding product adoption, particularly in AI. The company is confident in its strategy and provided optimistic guidance for the remainder of the fiscal year.